another video. So I am back with this kind of fall look. I guess it's fall colors. I've been gone for a minute because of school. I'm really trying to get on a schedule and have a set time to record for y'all so I can still put out content as well as focus on my school. I missed you guys. Really, like I said, need to hop on a schedule, so I'm gonna work on that for y'all. But yeah, make sure you guys continue to watch to see how I got this really pretty early fall look. To start off, I'm priming with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. So I've been gone for a minute because I started school. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of didn't want to go to school this semester, but I'm so close to being finished. So I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and go. So if I go now, I'll be done in the summer. But I started to take this semester off. I thought about it, and I actually took last fall off, which wasn't planned, but I took that semester off. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead and finish. I'm trying to push out, not push out, but I'm trying to get 4 videos recorded every weekend for y'all. That way I can stay on schedule regardless. So I'm going to just stay up late if I have to, or get up early if I have to. Whatever I gotta do, I'm gonna make sure I get some videos recorded for y'all. I didn't put a lot, and with this concealer it really doesn't take a lot, but I just make sure I pat it in like a lot more than usual. So I'm gonna use some lipstick on my eyelid. I'm taking this lipstick palette from Stony Cosmetics. I'm taking the shade right here, which is called Gina, and I'm gonna pack that on my eyelid. Not too much. I use a colored base, a colored concealer, I guess, except for it's sticky, so I'm gonna go in and set it with a eyeshadow. So far the matte book is the only palette I have that has a really nice burgundy in it, and I'm gonna use that to set the lipstick. Using the orange, also from the matte book. On the E17, I get a lot of questions about my brushes, and I pretty much use the same brushes all the time. The E17, the M506, the E18, and I think that's it. But all the brushes I use are from the Babe Phase from Morphe. So if you're wondering, I'll list my must-have brushes down below so you guys can check them out, because it is a little bit cheaper to just buy them individually versus buying the entire set. So honestly, don't even use the entire set. You know what, instead, if you're a beginner with makeup, you might want to go into some burgundy eyeshadow on a smaller brush. I'm going to use the M506 and just show you. With the same burgundy that I used to set the lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges or the harsh line from the burgundy first, and then go into the orange. Like that, and then go back into the orange. Okay, so I'm gonna add, you know what, this is all over the place. Let me add some more burgundy eyeshadow, because you see how it's not matte. That means that I didn't put enough, because it shouldn't be glistening like that, unless you want your eyelids a little oily. But before I add more orange, I'm gonna go in with the yellow, because it's low-key getting a little out of control. I kind of took it up too far, so I'm taking this yellow out of the same palette. Sorry, I can't see it. Okay, that didn't make it any better. This yellow right here. Okay, so let me go back and add the orange. Just gonna have to place all my colors down first, and then go back to whichever one I need. Let me explain what I'm about to do. I'm gonna take my Maya Makeup orange pigment. By the way, guys, I have an affiliate link with them, so I will link it down below if you guys want to shop those pigments or anything else from their website. But I'm gonna put some eyeliner. I'm gonna like line the top of my lid as if I was doing eyeliner, but I'm not gonna put down any concealer, simply because when I do that, for some reason my pigments go on a little patchy. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I just prefer to go ahead and pack them on without applying any extra makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that with a packing brush. Go ahead and just like line my eye. No base, nothing, because like I said, for some reason when I put down concealer, it makes it look patchy. I don't really know why. Maybe I'm putting down too much, I don't know. But another reason I'm not going to do it is because I'm going to go on top of that with some black eyeliner, and I don't want the eyeliner to get mixed in with the concealer. It's pretty pigmented without a base. That's why I usually just do mine like this. I need to invest in some, I guess, water activated eyeliners, because I have a mixing medium, which is what you would mix with the loose pigment to make it an eyeliner. But then when I do that, it makes the orange a little bit darker than I like, and it makes it more prone to crack. I'm not sure if it's because of the brand I have. I have the one from NYX, which is not expensive at all. So maybe I need to try another brand. For now, I'm just gonna make this work. So I'm going to go ahead and do my winged eyeliner. I'm using this ultra defining eyeliner from Iris Beauty. Oh, why I always do this? So I went ahead and cleaned up my wing. I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. And my lashes from Glow Glitters, and these are in the style City Girl. Now, a quick tip when putting on lashes, it's easier for me to look down. So I have my mirror right here, and I just look down in it, and it helps me place them as close as possible to my real lashes. I have combination skin, right? So when I went to Sephora, she recommended that I get a hydrating primer and a matte foundation. So recently I've been using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer with the Fenty foundation, the matte one. I actually went and picked up the hydrating foundation, and I've been using this for like a week or two, and I really love it. But instead of me using a hydrating primer, I bought her matte primer. So now I'm using a hydrating foundation with a matte primer, whereas last time I was using the hydrating primer with a matte foundation. Whichever combo I pick up is pretty much the one I go for the day. But I will honestly let you guys know that the Milk Makeup Primer is the only one that I've come across so far that really fills in my lines, my smile lines, and I don't get creasing at all with this primer. So I guess I'm about to just keep buying this because it's literally the only one that I've ever come across. Even the one from Fenty doesn't stop me from creasing. This is the only one. But yeah, this is my new go-to. But today I'm going to be using the matte primer from Fenty along with the new hydrating foundation. I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation. I don't color correct, even though I am like a little discolored around my lip, but it's not that bad. Usually the foundation will just go ahead and cover it up. By the way, I'm in shade 385. So I take about 2 pumps of this foundation, and honestly this foundation is a little bit thicker than the matte one, which I guess it should be because it is a hydrating foundation. Honestly, when I use this with the matte primer, I literally get the exact same results that I get with the matte foundation. So that's really why I want to try it anyway, so I can see if it would pretty much be the same, and it is. So I don't really have one that I like more than the other, but I will say that this one, I feel like a little of this one goes a long way. I do prefer, oh yeah, I'm using this flat top foundation brush from Amazon. I do prefer a more fuller or thicker coverage, if that makes sense, a heavier coverage. Yeah, I get what I'm trying to say. And I feel like I get that with the hydrating foundation, so. But yeah, I feel like I can use less of this one and get further. Whereas with the other one, it's so light. Then maybe I just tell myself that it's not that much on my face. You really don't need that much, but I don't know. Honestly, since it's still hot, I probably will stick to using the matte one, because this stuff, y'all, when I tell y'all, I be sweating so bad. I actually feel like I got hot after putting it on. So for under my eyes, I'm going to take the same concealer from Too Faced, the Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Mocha, and put a little bit. It's really not a highlighting shade. I didn't realize she matched me to a darker shade until after the fact, and I just decided to go ahead and keep it. I'm going to depend on my powder today to give me the highlight underneath my eyes. I'm going to do another full face on camera for y'all because I feel like when I did the actual everyday or like glowy skin tutorial, it didn't really turn out how I feel like it should have. And one of those videos, I feel like I look super yellow. I don't know if y'all caught it, but I definitely did. Just stop and set as I go. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this one is in light medium. I'm going to blend the concealer out with a Morphe sponge, and then I'm going to put my powder down or set with a Real Technique sponge. The lady in Sephora was like, why are you buying that? You have combination skin or oily skin. I was like, I just really want to try it. She was like, okay. I told her to match me to her foundation. She gonna match me to the matte one. I was like, that's not what I asked you to match me to. And I didn't even realize it until she got doing. But she was doing her job though. So yeah, pretty much after I do my setting and everything, I'm matte, and I stay that way for the rest of the day. This part is completely optional. I take a matte foundation powder. I'm using the one from Fit Me. I'm the shade 330, and I use this on a powder brush to dust away any excess powder that might be on my face. For bronzer today, I'm using the shade Coconutty from Fenty. Because my hair been like this for like a week, so I really have not been doing it. But I really would take my contour here and bring it all the way down, but really just been doing it right here on my forehead and then skipping to right here. Once your face looks even super chiseled, you can like do your jawline. I really don't have one because my face is so freaking chubby, but this is always the hard part for me. I don't know if I want to put some color in my waterline. Should I just leave it plain? I kind of like the plain. So this is from Shop with Shotney, and it's in the shade Cinnamon Water. Okay, you guys, so we are done with today's look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more looks, and I'll see you guys in my next one.